began a journey to restore dignity, to spark conversations, and to ensure that no child is left behind. Through unity and compassion, we reached hundreds of learners, giving not just supplies, but confidence, knowledge, and hope. And now, we rise again. The Lukosi Primary School Alumni, together with the school and parents, proudly present the second edition of the Menstrual Hygiene Day Outreach and Community Health Initiative. This year, we go bigger, deeper, and further. We will provide sanitary pads for girls and hygiene boxes for boys, promoting dignity and confidence for every learner. We will conduct health talks and awareness sessions, empowering both students and the wider community with life-changing knowledge. We will lead a sensitization campaign, helping families secure access to healthcare, especially for the elderly. And as a family, we continue strengthening our welfare system because supporting each other is the foundation of everything we do. Our goal this year is to impact 600 learners, 300 boys and 300 girls. To achieve this, we are working towards a budget of 150,000 Kenyan shillings. From 15th March to 15th May 2026, we invite you to be part of this mission, because sometimes it's not about how much you give, but the difference your giving makes. A single packet of sanitary pads, a bar of soap, a simple hygiene item, that is all it takes to change a child's day, their confidence, their future. You can send your contribution to Janet Makokha via Mpesa number 0110-766-938 or use the Mpesa paybill number 400-200, account number 28398. We are restoring dignity. We are building awareness. We are shaping a stronger, healthier Lukosi. Together we rise. Together we care. And together we make it possible.